Hi! It's Dada's birthday today and we are, well, they are preparing to go out. Ako siguro later pa kasi I still have work to do. Our room here at Blue Water is being cleaned. I guess tapos na si Kuya kasi maayos na ulit siya. Tazi is already wearing his babath clothes. Kaso hindi na naligo. Sa pool shower na raw siya maliligo. Si Kuya is cleaning. Thank you, Kuya. This is again here at Blue Water, Maribago. Here in Mactan. Where's the birthday boy? We haven't ordered yet. Dada, what do you want?
Anything that you want.
Char. Ang swerte ko naman. Pero yung Dada, okay sa yung napili ko. Sige. I'll order soon. Pakita ko lang ang view from our balcony. Kita ba? There. It's a super hot January 22 day. No, masarap sanang magsunog. Pero ang ating skin cancer. Matanda na tayo. Si Taz na lang. Yun lang. Hindi na kasi ako nakaka-post masyado so naisip kong gawin tong unplanned video. Sayang di na tayo dada nagpa-funny reels. Na-miss nyo ba funny reels namin?
Let's do funny reels later.
Abangan!
May mga props ba?
Hindi natin nadala yung props. Anyway, sige. Yun lang. The birthday of the birthday boy is not yet over.
It's just started.
It just started. It's a birthday month. Hanggang Feb, ano pala, 22.
Months.
Months. Sige, bye!